What's the meaning of batik? Batik. Batik.
Batik. Batik. Batik is a traditional Indonesian textile art that involves applying wax to fabric, dyeing the fabric, and then removing the wax to reveal patterns and designs. This process can be repeated with different colors and layers of wax to create intricate and unique designs. The word batik originates from the Javanese word titik, which means dot or point. Batik has a rich history in Indonesian culture and is often associated with royalty and important ceremonies. Today, it is still widely practiced and appreciated, both domestically and internationally, as a beautiful and expressive form of art and fashion.